Hi everyone, in this video I'm just going to be sharing a few clips that I recorded that didn't quite make the final cut in other videos. They're jobs that I have had to do, but they didn't warrant, in my eyes, making a complete video over, such as the Mk4 centre caps on the wheels. I've put them in, and the injector clips as well, and it only took a couple of minutes to do each job, so it didn't warrant any particular video for it. So a couple of jobs on the ST as well. So I thought, you know what, let's stick them together now, show you what I done. Hope you guys don't mind, but I thought it'd make an interesting video and it'd give me a reason to get these small clips online to try and help you guys out. So in the description there'll be timestamps to each job and each section of the video. Other than that, let's crack on. Leave a like, consider subscribing. Let's crack on with this small bunch of videos. Let's go. So the plan is to remove these cable ties and put some of these clips in. I've got one in here, but there's three that are like this. 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out and put these clips in. So first things first, get the cable ties out of the way. And then looking at the one down here, the big bit of this clip goes to the bottom. It looks very fiddly, so let me get a pair of tweezers or something. Dropped it. So you see how fiddly it is, so I had to stop filming so I could actually use both hands, and trying to get the camera in a position where I needed to be was awkward. As you can see, they're all in place. It looks a lot better, a lot tidier. Now the right way to get these pins in is when you've got the injectors out, the little clips would just click in, and then the actual injector hose fuel line would actually just slot in, like push in, if that makes any sense. So that's that done. So another job done. Okay, so I've got a bag of bits here. Some bits for the Mk4, black door hub caps, and also for the ST I said about replacing the ABS sensors. So I've got some new screws, bolts, nuts, yeah, and the actual sensors. One. The other one. So I'm going to get these fitted in now and get it plugged in. So we're going to start replacing these and use a flathead, just hopefully they prise out. Didn't just do that with all 4 of them. Looks a lot better. It's back when I got one in. I've had 4 new tyres put on it as well. So that's all 4 replaced. So this is where the ABS sensor sits. Got it here ready to go. And then you use one of these new screws, bolts, and these are T25 piece. And just re-click the wire in. And that's it, job done. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed these couple of little jobs that I've been doing, and you've seen how I put the injector clips in and how fiddly it was that I had to put the camera down and actually do it using both hands. The best way to do them, I'd imagine, would be to take when the injectors are out, the clips actually click into them holes where they go in, and you put them into the injectors in place and push the fuel line into them, and they click into place. And also I've done the wheel caps, as you see there, on the Mark IV, as well as the ABS sensors on the Mark III here. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed these bunch of videos, little videos, and until the next one. So all that's left to say now is have a good Christmas. Hopefully 2021 will be a better year than this year. 2020 has been a bit of a write-off for a lot of people. So be sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Helps the YouTube recognise the channel's a good channel and the videos are good, and helps promote the videos out there. So stay safe. Bye for now.